Hey, what is going on guys? Ben here. So today I am super excited to be checking out the brand new iPad Air. So without further ado, let's just jump right on into the box. Now, everything I'm going to talk about in this video really boils down to one sentence. The iPad Air is essentially just everything great from the iPad Pro for $200 less. I mean, everything about it is nearly the same as the iPad Pro. It has the same physical size, shape, and connectors. That means it fits all the same keyboard cases, works with the Apple Pencil, and features that gorgeous edge-to-edge display. It's also insanely fast with the A14 Bionic chip, which actually outperforms the iPad Pro model. What's different with this iPad Air is that you lose Face ID in place of a new Touch ID sensor within the power button, and of course no 120Hz refresh rate on the iPad Air. And while yes, that is a bummer, that's not something I would be going out and spending $200 on. I mean, both iPads are incredibly smooth, and really the difference is very minuscule. Where this new iPad gets interesting, however, is when comparing it to its younger little brother, the budget iPad. See, that iPad costs $329, has a slightly smaller screen, and only works with the older generation keyboards and pencils. Both iPads, however, are physically capable of performing most of the same functions and are thus equally useful tools. I really think the difference between these iPads boils down to this. How often do you use your iPad, and how long do you intend to keep your iPad? See, the larger screen, newer accessories, and faster processor all help the iPad Air feel like an ultra-modern tablet. It performs well at everything I throw at it, and I expect it to perform this way for many years. The standard iPad, on the other hand, feels a little bit like last generation hardware. It performs fine, don't get me wrong, but I know I won't keep this stellar performance through intense multitasking or many years down the line. Thus, if you want something that'll last and keep up with more intensive workloads, the iPad Air really is the way to go. At the end of the day, iPad Air really is a great all-around tablet. It's priced really well at $599, performs amazingly, and has all the latest hardware and features we've come to expect from the Pro lineup. I think it's definitely the best value in an iPad or even a tablet that we've seen in a long time, and it is my go-to recommendation for anyone looking to pick up a new tablet right now. Anyway, that's been my unboxing and review of the brand new iPad Air. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the really cool videos I'll be uploading soon. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks, subscribe, and peace out. Catch y'all later.